Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain. This is going to be a relatively short video today because I managed to delete the video that I made and I'm not going to redo it. So this is today's project. It's very simple to make. I'll give you the file linked down in the information box below as normal. And this is an alternative to a two-dimensional birthday card. Could be used for other occasions, I guess. And it's got a little tag that I've put on. I've used a heart-shaped rivet for the string to go through. Just use white string to tie it on. And although it looks relatively complicated, this is so easy to put together. With the 6 identical pieces, all you have to do is stick them wrong sides together. Fold them along the score lines first, stick them together, and you'll end up with this. You have score lines down the centre of them. Try not to do it with really thick card because that makes it harder. And the only other piece that you have which is separate is a couple of these little things here, and you stick one on one side and the other one on the other side of it, just so that it goes over one edge. And then once you put your tag on, you're done. It does fold flat for postage should you need to post it, particularly if you use a thinner card than I have, but it will stand up perfectly nicely all on its own. And I think it's really rather cute. So this is just a design that I did on my iPad in Procreate. Hope you like it, and if you do, consider subscribing, click the bell or ring the bell, whatever it is you have to do these days, and leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.